What's going on, guys? This is DOS. This is the car that typically carries the channel with the content because you guys have a huge concern about it, and I appreciate that a lot. And this is the result of a modern day crackhead who feels as if they have the right of way to make any type of unnecessary or ridiculous lane change just because their turn signal is on. Yes, that's right. This car has been in an accident. Not too bad, as you can see, but we are looking like a bicycle out here at nighttime with the one headlight going on. So as we further examine it, it wasn't as bad as the other vehicle, piece of plastic. Let me try to get this hood open real quick. There's nothing wrong with the hood. It's just, I don't know. I don't want to get my hands too dirty right now at the moment. But as you can see, we are in this parking garage because we're going to do a little bit of content. One of the parking garages I used to do an update about this car. But anyway, let's get back on track right here. So yeah, this is what it looks like when somebody feels as if they have the right of way just because their turn signal is on. So they go ahead and just smash your whole headlight out. Now, when the accident did happen, there was still pieces of headlight, but I went ahead and cleared it out. And this is the end result right here. So this bumper was already kind of bent down here, as you can see that little profile going on. And yes, that is a puddle of power steering fluid. It was a huge puddle earlier today. Of course, you know, once one thing goes wrong, it's just other things going to keep going wrong too, but that's for a separate video, more content. Anyway, but as you can see, so this fender is pretty much done, right? This was pushed in a lot more, but I tried to save it a little bit so I can actually put the headlight in there. Maybe it'll work, maybe not, I don't know. And then this bumper is pretty much just chipped off, looking like something just bit out of it right here. So yeah. And then this piece right here, this piece is a whole bracket right there. As you can see, like it holds the headlights and then holds the grill and all that stuff. So I do have all three of these pieces on the way already. Actually, I do have the fender already. Still got to get the bumper, and then this piece, I have that already too. So what I'm going to do is, obviously, I ordered them off of eBay Motors, and you know, nice discounts. It was like 120, probably like 140, and this was like barely $100. So you know, not even the whole total of this is not even going to be a deductible. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and have the parts sent to an address. I'm going to take it to a shop, let them paint it, kind of blend it, make it the same color as the car. Then I'll put them on and take these old parts off, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. So I tried to bend this piece out right here, and as you can see, this is the result. I kind of broke this even more right here. Look at that. It's not even in the plastic or whatever this is anymore. It's not even in there really, but that's all good though. So right now I'm tired of driving with one headlight right here. You barely see too much, even though this is already a brand new set of headlights, and the other one is gone, disappeared now. We're gonna go ahead and put a new set on. So these are the brand new lights right here, obviously the light assembly, and then I also wanted to go ahead and toss in some actual LEDs, which I should have did this first time around, but since you know we're looking like half a car over here, we might as well just go ahead and toss those LEDs in. And you already know what time it is, so I only have, all you need right now for this is just this nice little handy tool set I keep in the trunk of this car, and it's going to be that simple just to replace these headlights. Now I know what you're thinking, why would you do that when you're going to replace all this anyway? Yeah, but you know, I kind of want to see what the LED bulbs look like anyway, and plus it's been a minute since I uploaded some content on the channel. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because you guys do have a huge interest in this car right here. It is a cash car after all. It was looking really nice, as you can see. It's dirty right now, but, and you know, the windshield is cracked too. You guys know what happened about that, but hey, you know, it's a cash car, and it's still running strong no matter what, except for that power steering leak right here. You like the puddle I came out to this morning was huge, man. I got to show you guys that right there. Here you go, bah, right there on the screen. But anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and replace these heads. Hopefully we can actually fit it in there, because I don't want this to like blow it up again. Look at that. But you got a little bit of, okay, you gonna just mess up my audio. Just go ahead and let him. Yep. Yep, all the time. It was so quiet till I hit the red record button. Everybody got to drive by real quick. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get right into this video really quick, right? And change these headlight assemblies out. I'm gonna go ahead and just do both sides so they both have a fresh look. I mean, you know, and also these turn signal bulbs. This is a 2005 Taurus, right? So there should be a lot of like bulbs and little stuff like this that are universal, pretty much all old vehicles like this. I've been to 7 auto shops. I'm talking about O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, Napa, and none of them had it in stock. They're always like, you got to go down the street or whatever. So I go by when it's convenient. When I pass one, I'll go there, and they still don't even have it. So I don't know how difficult it is to get a bulb for a 2005 Taurus, but if anybody else has some type of experience like that they want to share it to, leave it in the comment section, because that is extremely annoying. I'm tired of feeling like this car is some type of vintage Rolls Royce that just came from overseas and all kind of bullshit. All right, so we just opened the top of the box right here. Brand new headlight, right? There you go. This is the driver's side already. Okay. Of course, the driver's side is out. There you go, right there. Oh, can you see that? Dang. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side first because, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that side. It's easy. It's not even like, it's like these little metal tabs right here. Hold on. Nice. Here we go. These two metal tabs you gotta pull up right here. So like I was saying, the metal tabs right here, and there's one right there. Pull that up. Bam. Then you got your little bolt right there chilling, sitting there waiting on you. Luckily I was already prepared, 8mm with an extension on there. On too, so you know, great quality. Just upset that I'm wasting a whole headlight. Look at that. Here it goes, it comes out. Right, just waste that whole headlight, man. All that comes out just like that, twist it. Get some twist action going, just like that. I know those are hot, so I'm not even gonna try to touch that. But there you go, look at that. Still kind of new, right? Bam, swap it. Come over here real quick. Swap you out for the one time. All right. Damn. Excuse me for a second. All right, there we go. And you're good to go. Connections, they better be the same. If not, you have permission to curse eBay Motors off. There we go. There we go. And once you're done adjusting, slide everything back up in there. Wrong way. There you go. And there you go. Chilling. Look at that. On these older cars. I can't wait to see what that looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Shit looks nice. All right, here we go. Y'all can watch me from this angle now. There we go. Chilling. All right, here we go. So I got the little wires just kind of in here chilling. All right, same thing. Take off your white sticker. Take this foam off right here. I might use this for something else. If you didn't see it clear enough on the last headlight right there, look at that. So you got the bulb with the fan in there, and then you got the plug in right there, and then you got this nice little resistor, which is kind of weird, but there you go. Toss that up in there real quick. And we do got the little cone. It's hiding right in here. Doesn't want to come out. There it goes. This thing right here. Little cone action. Damn, it took some of the plastic from the connector off too. Shit, man. See if I get these tabs in here. I'm not gonna force anything. If it doesn't want to go in there, then fine. But let me see. Kind of hard for me to really see what's going on in there. Yeah, it could be the fender that's kind of getting in the way. Oh shit, that's in there. they're definitely gonna have to be adjusted. But hey, at least we got some more headlight action, right? Golly, not bad. They're definitely gonna have to be adjusted though. Look at that. They're not even. You can just tell from this angle. All right, just like that. Look at that. Yeah, that's not okay. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial right here. Simple, nice and simple. I like these lights though. I like them. They're just much better. Much better. See, they're not all the way down, so I can always come back and take care of them if I need to. But yeah, just these two little tabs right here, and then you got that bolt that I didn't even put in yet. Oh, here it is. That bolt right there. Just like that. So, oh, you can already hear the fans coming on the back of the bulbs right there. Hear that? But yeah, stay tuned though, because I have all these parts in process right now. I already went to go get an estimate just to see. I like doing that whenever I do have some type of damage that I want to go ahead and try to take care of or deal with. And yeah, they talk about $3,700 is the insurance payout, what the insurance will pay, and fixing all this wouldn't even be the deductible. So I think I'd rather just kind of like make content off of it instead of gotta get one of those bulbs. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just, you know, letting the insurance pay. And I know what you're thinking, might as well use the insurance, you pay for it all the time, which is true, but I mean, my deductible is like $500 and I can fix this for less than like $350. So why even, you know, it don't even look that bad really like that. But I do have the fender already, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that painted up and whatnot. But yeah, you guys stay tuned, man. And I will do another review after I'm done with the whole thing, you know, build it back up and whatnot. So yeah, and also we got to take care of that power steering leak, because it was huge, man. I thought it was a transmission for a second, and I smelled it. Nope, that is definitely power steering when you turn the wheel and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, stay tuned, and that's it.